We recommend that you use Lightburn for the control software. This software requires a USB connection to the laser as shown. Downloading and installing the software is described on the vendor's website, lightburnsoftware.com. During installation, the Lightburn software will prompt you to install a serial to USB port driver. Accept that option. After installation and during its first use, Lightburn will prompt you to scan for an attached laser system controller. Connect the USB cable from the laser to the PC or Mac you will be using to control the laser. You should notice that the software discovers the Ruida controller. Accept that option. During installation, you will be asked to identify the default origin point of the laser coordinate system. Select the rear right. On the main screen of Lightburn, select Current Position in the lower right option panel. For further details about how to use Lightburn, consult the Lightburn software manual on their website, where you will also find many videos and helpful operating instructions. There is also a helpful user forum, which offers advice and project ideas from Lightburn users. Complete documentation for all these functions managed by the Ruida laser controller system is available on the First Makerspace website in the Downloads section. Use Lightburn to create a 2D shape that you would like to cut or engrave. You will find basic shapes on the left command column. Where you place the shape on the work surface is not important. The green square on the upper right corner of your design will always be placed at the origin. We can double-click on a layer to adjust the power and speed of the laser for that element. Additional layers can be created by selecting an element of design and associating the element with a color. Layers are run in the sequence from top to bottom. Generally, you would perform engraving before cutting to maintain the registration of the elements in the job. More on the layer system will be found in the Lightburn documentation and videos online. In this example, we are using the alphabetic option to enter text into a rectangle. We can size the text to suit the space available. Note we selected a different color for the text layer and adjusted the speed, power to 300 millimeters per second and 30% power respectively. We also chose fill for the layer operating mode. This fills the text without cutting it. We usually think of that as engraving, but we could have used line mode and cut the outline of the characters. Make sure you move the text layer above the cutting layer defined for the rectangle so the text retains its position. Reposition the lens assembly, press origin, press start. In this example, we are adding a graphic image to the rectangle. We can import many graphic formats such as JPEG, Illustrator, SVG, which may be produced by Tinkercad. In this case, we simply copied an image of pie from a selection from a web page and pasted it into the job. Lightburn automatically gave it the layer operation graphic. Adjust the speed, power for this layer the way you did for text. Reposition the lens assembly, press origin, press start.